7 recommendations for coal stocks. Which one is the best? The boom in coal commodities has become a blessing for issuer producers in the country. This is reflected in the steady progress of the 2021 financial report cards and the stock price performance of the issuer this year. The majority of major coal issuers listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange enjoy profit growth of tens of thousands of percent on an annual basis throughout last year. Take for example, the mining SOE PT Bukit Asam posted a net profit of 7.9 trillion Indonesian rupiah in 2021, growing 231.4% year-on-year compared to 2.39 trillion Indonesian rupiah in 2020. Over the past year, PTBA's revenue was recorded at 29.26 trillion rupiah, a 68.9% jump over 17.3 trillion rupiah in the previous year. Another example, PT Indo Tambang Raya Megah managed to pocket a skyrocketing net profit of up to 1.105% year-on-year. ITMG posted a net profit of $475.57 in 2021, a significant increase compared to only $39.47 million in 2020. Over the past year, ITMG's net income was recorded at $2.08 billion, a significant growth of 75.2% compared to $1.18 billion in 2020. For $3, the performance of its share price is no less impressive, with an increase of tens of percent since the beginning of the year. If you look at the data from Samuel Sekuritas Indonesia above, even though stock prices have soared since the beginning of the year, the majority of the valuations of the 7 coal issuers are still undervalued or cheap. This can be seen from the price to earnings ratio for the 2022 projection, which is still below the rule of thumb 10 times or below the industry average PER of 21.4 times. The ratio of Per Earth 2.0 times and ITMG 4.0 times is the cheapest among others. Coal still above the sky. According to Refinitiv data on Monday's trade, April 11, 2022, the May contract coal prices closed at $297.15 per ton. Overall, coal prices still jumped 6.2% in the past week. The price of the black stone is still down 17.83% in a month, but during the year the prices has increased 244%. The skyrocketing coal price last week was triggered by the decision of the European Union and Japan to stop importing coal from Russia. The ban on imports of Russian coal has, of course, made the competition to get new suppliers even tougher, so that coal prices soared.